Imagine you're about to turn 21 and this is what you look like. So let's glow up. I immediately need to go from this to this. Oh my god, I need to glow up immediately. This is what I looked like a few weeks before my birthday. It looked like I hadn't showered in months. Can you believe I'm turning 21 and I need an urgent glow up? I'm usually pretty up to date when it comes to my beauty appointments. All those things just to make my day-to-day be so much easier. The reason why I haven't been staying very up to date with these appointments is because my birthday is right around the corner. My brows are disgusting. My lashes disgusting. I've been having such a hard time doing my makeup. We are doing the first step to this 21st birthday glow up. I'm getting my lashes lifted. Ugh. Getting your lashes lifted makes the biggest difference. I think this is like one of the biggest steps in my routine for me to like really feel that glow up. We officially made it to come get our lashes done. Oh my god, these are just, they're terrifying. They're horrible. Look at my lashes. I get the most dramatic. The J curl. The J curl. So if you guys are ever interested in getting a lash lift and want like my result, that's what I asked for because I like the most dramatic lash. Oh my god, I already feel like more me. Okay guys, I just finished getting my lash lift. Oh my god, the difference is insane. My lashes already look 20 times better and longer. Look at this. I am officially getting my braces taken off. I'm in my bathroom because this is going to be the last time that I'm brushing my teeth with my braces. I'm extremely excited. This is something I've waited for so long. I think I'm even more excited the fact that this opportunity is happening for me before my 21st birthday because, you know, 21st feels very adulty. It feels very adulty. So I think knowing that I'll have my adult type smile for my 21st birthday makes me feel really excited for myself. Oh, I don't know.
Ya estamos. ¿Segura?
This is me without braces. I will officially be going back in 6 days to finish off this process. I already feel so much better about myself, even though I know this isn't the finished product at all. And honestly, like, look at these big ass gaps on both sides. Like, I feel 1,000 times better than I ever felt with my braces. I think also just having something on your mouth for so long. Look at how gross these are. Ew. I have pushed my nail appointment a week, so usually I get them done every 3 weeks. I waited over a month this time. They're just so gross. There's crusties under the nails. Like, I'm so sorry, and I promise you guys I clean them. That's just outgrown nail. I really wanted to feel the ultimate glow up by pushing all my appointments to the very end right before my birthday. And I know I'm gonna feel even hotter by my actual birthday, but right now it's really hard to keep living with these eyebrows. It's really hard to have my nails looking like this. It's been a hard process. It's officially time. I'm gonna get my teeth fully fixed. Look at that. I like don't feel like myself right now. This is so weird. I am going to get these brows fixed. This is disgusting. My brows literally look disgusting. People have already told me because I'm used to having like really clean brows, and my mom looked at me today and she's like, oh girl. My boyfriend told me the other day too. He's like, when are you getting your brows done? I was like, guys, trust the process. We're about to get the brows done. Push. It's time to get a facial. We are in our last steps to this glow up routine. I'm so excited to be my most beautiful, amazing self. Nails are done, lashes are done, brows are done. Now we're just gonna get our facial. My skin's not like horrible right now. Like it's actually pretty good. It's just really dry and I do have some like spots here and there that came in, but she's gonna save my skin. I would say my skin is pretty dry, so I definitely want it to feel like a little bit more hydrated.
Well, you have beautiful skin as
Thank
it
you.
is, but we can definitely work on more hydration.
Wow, that feels amazing. I've ever experienced. The official last step, hair. I look disgusting. My hair has been killing me, but I'm getting my long layers. I'm getting like my curtain bangs refreshed. I'm getting like a Brazilian blowout. I want it like straight, but like from the ends like kind of going in. I am here at By Grace Beauty. It is this place in San Diego. I absolutely love it here. I'm sure you guys can see that it's just like dry. I love how my hair came out. I love that I didn't have to do it myself. I love how it feels like actually nicely washed and it looks amazing. My favorite thing about getting my hair done too is the fact that I feel like it actually lasts. Like I don't know if they just do it more precisely, which probably that, but it's just also the fact that I think like they just actually know how to like rinse out your hair and like actually get all like the product out and everything. I don't know, they just the professionals, they do it so much better. Amazing.